yeah, it's here, boys. Alright, so if you didn't already know, I got some Husky wheel well guards for the F-150. Bam! Obviously for the rear ones, because, you know, front already has ones. Now, these are by Husky liners. These are the same company that I used for my floor mats. Now, I absolutely love my floor mats. They're Husky liners as well. So I was like, you know what? I'll go with this company again for the rear well guards, or rear well liners, whatever you want to call them. So just a quick gander at the box. Wheel well guards made in the US of A. Beautiful. And we'll just quickly actually look it up here. Rear well guards, regular cab, super crew, Ford F-150, 2015 to 2019. So I did just get back from work and I got the notification saying this thing was delivered. But upon arriving here, guys, and taking a look at the box, it looked like it was already opened. Now I thought somebody here might have opened it to check it out or something. I don't know. But actually, no, it just wasn't taped correctly. You can see right here, there's no cut or anything. Tape's right there. So I think it just wasn't packaged properly, which is a little disappointing. Now my huge concern here is that I have all the hardware intact with this thing. Otherwise we're gonna have some issues. Fingers crossed that everything that needs to be in here is in here. I think everything is here that needs to be here. It looks like that's all our hardware and installation guide. Right on. That's what I was super worried about. I thought maybe, you know, because it wasn't properly sealed, it might have fallen out during shipping or something. Oh my gosh! Now that we are up close and personal with the wheel well guards, I wanted to take a quick look at the construction of these things. Now, these things are actually pretty rugged. Unlike me, this thing actually stays in shape pretty well. Now, obviously, you do get a pair, hence the real wheels. And they're wheel well guards, guys. Not much else to say about them. Alright, so why did I spend $140 on plastic bits? Two reasons. One, gives the truck a much more finished look. And two, added protection, guys. Come on. Okay, so turns out I have to move a bunch of cars. Subaru's in the way. Then I gotta move the black truck. That's in the way. And then I have to get the white truck and reverse it into here. I can't even close the garage door. That thing takes up the entire length of the garage. So I literally won't be able to work on the front or the back, which I guess is okay. But yeah, the truck's just gonna have to stick out of the garage just a smidge. And it's raining outside too, so. I mean, normally I would just park the trucks on the grass and just call it a day. But it's raining, so I don't think anyone in my house is gonna really appreciate me destroying the grass as much as I want to. First order of business, move the black truck. Alright, next up, Subaru. Dude, what the hell is this? Why is my... Jesus! My bumper's falling off! Now for the easy part. Get this thing, pick them up, and flip them this way. So the rear is inside of the garage. That shouldn't be too bad. It'll probably be like a 10-point turn maybe. I just don't want to hit the grass, guys. It gets messed up super easily. I guess I could also do it this way too. Turns out I was wrong. You could actually close the garage door with the truck here. Granted, I still got a little bit of space here, but if we didn't have this table here, this truck could actually fit. I was wrong. Alright boys, we successfully got the F-150 in the garage. I got the fender liners ready to go. I got the tools at the ready. Now real quick, I want to show you guys the reason as to why I spent $140 on plastic. Now hopefully the camera will pick everything up the way that I'm seeing it, but you could just tell that it's just, it doesn't look great, guys. You have exposed shocks, all these components are exposed, you got the bed here exposed, and I don't like it, guys. I really don't. I think those wheel well guards are gonna change up the look of this truck by a lot. Alright, so before I put on the wheel well guards, I just want to right quick give this thing just a quick wipe down. There's a lot of dirt in there, and thankfully, because of the rain, it looks like it's already ready to come right off with a wipe. So gave it a quick wipe down, so much better than before. That thing was pretty dirty. It's a good thing it rained. RIP to my microfiber. Took one for the team, but it's alright, we got a million of those. PS, passenger side, obviously. DS. U-clip, 2 U-clips right over here. 1, 2. Come on.
You don't even know what you're doing now.
There you go. Huh? They're wheel wells. How hard can they be? Done. See? It's more finished, as opposed to having the bed and the shocks and everything exposed. Alright boys, look at that. Driver's side wheel well guard has been installed, and my goodness, gives the truck a much nicer appearance, guys. This is what I'm talking about. I mean, it literally is only 4 screws holding it in. Very easy install. I'll show you though, these 2 over here are slightly tricky. Driver's side, check. Off to the passenger side. Ah, crap. This one's gonna be tough. Bad news, guys. This crap is not coming off the truck. Like right now, I've been at this thing scrubbing with this metal brush for like a solid 10 minutes. And it got a little bit off, but I'm gonna be here all night if I'm gonna try to get this thing spotless. Back piece is pretty good. Just maybe needs another wipe down. But in here, guys, I don't know what the hell happened. I've been scrubbing at it for the longest time, and it's not coming out. And that is exactly why you want to buy these wheel well guards before it's too late. Unfortunately, that's just gonna have to stay on. I'll get it off another day. It's gonna take me all night to get that thing clean. So just gonna throw on the wheel well guards, and then I don't know, eventually I'll get to it. Alright, as long as I look at that clean section, I'm happy. Let's go ahead and get the wheel well guard installed. And now for that, I need to go grab the hardware, which I left on the other side. So I gotta climb through here. Hey, it's a Milwaukee gun. Gotta climb through this door because remember, guys, there's no space to walk by. Okay, here it is. All the hardware you need. 4 screws and 4 of these little clips. Now 2 of these clips are gonna go ahead and latch on. Make sure it's flat. Make sure it's flat this way. Latch on in here. Hopefully you guys can see that. There you go. Well, there you go. Better. And then the other one on this side. Next up, you want to go ahead and grab the wheel well guard and go ahead and just mock it into place. Go ahead and grab this sucker. The old wrap around. That's a little bit of force, but get him in there. Get him behind the little lip, the fender lip. Just tuck it behind there and go ahead and do the same all around. Alright, so here are the tools you're going to need. Some flatheads. You might need a smaller one to reach into these gaps. It's a little bit tougher to reach in with a full screwdriver. So get yourself a small one. Next up, you want to go ahead and grab one of these screws and pocket it through just gently so it's sticking out slightly through there. And then you want to grab the clip and use it essentially like a washer. And you're going to have to put your hand behind here, screw it in from there. You have to find it. So you have to do that for both sides. So next up, I need to go ahead and reach around to find it. There you go. Found it. And just tighten it after that. There you go. I'll have to shorten them up. Now you don't need to tighten these just yet. Essentially just enough to hold it in place. After that, once you've done this one, do the other side, and then you can do these last 2. And it's pretty much aligning it. Oh my goodness, guys. The passenger side made me cry. I don't know what it was. The driver's side I did with ease. The passenger side, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the molding or something, but this thing was struggling big time to fit into the wheel well. And I know my wheel well's in like good condition. It's not like it's been hit or anything, but this thing was just struggling. I thought, you know, for $140, this thing would be a direct fit, exact copy, but this thing is like, I mean, it's good and all, but it's just I wish this thing was molded a little bit better. Either way, guys, it's on. Truck looks beautiful, a lot more finished. Let me grab some lighting on that. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. All the support is much appreciated, and it just motivates me a lot more to just throw more content at you guys. So be sure to do that stuff. Truck is coming along slowly, but definitely surely, guys. The wheel well's on. It looks great. I didn't think I was going to struggle with one of them. Surprisingly, I don't know. It took me 30 minutes. The other side took me 10. I don't know what it was, but a little disappointed on that. Either way, guys, it's still a decent mod. It's a good mod, I should say, because it's going to protect your car, especially with, in my state, guys, they go overboard on the road salt. It gets bad. It's a good thing I got this now, even though I did suffer already a lot of debris and dirt in there that it's really hard to take off, but we'll get to that a different time. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace, and oh my gosh, look at my dirty hand.